Deleted important iPhone photos, contacts, or messages, and thought they were gone forever? Maybe you dropped your phone, did a bad update, or switched to a new device and something didn't carry over. You check your recently deleted folder, nothing. You check your camera roll, nothing. And yeah, you have an iCloud backup sitting there, but restoring it means overwriting everything you've done since then. Your recent photos, your new messages, your updated contacts, all wiped. That's not a solution. That's just trading one problem for another. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how Dr.Fone handles this, step by step, on screen, so you can see the full process before you ever download anything. Once you open Dr.Fone, you'll land on the main toolbox screen. You'll see all the available tools here. Click on Data Recovery. It's right in the bottom row of the toolbar. This takes you to the Data Recovery home screen, where it asks you to choose your phone system. Since we're recovering iPhone data, click on iOS. The iOS option supports the latest iOS and iPadOS versions. Recovery of 30+ data types including photos, contacts, and WhatsApp data from your device directly, iCloud Sync, Google Drive, and backups. This is the screen that matters most. And this is what's new in the latest version of Dr.Fone. You'll see several recovery options here. The one we're focusing on today is right at the top. Recover data from iCloud Backup, marked with a new badge. This is the upgraded iCloud recovery system. Click on it. The other options on this screen, recover personal data, recover messaging app data, recover from iTunes, are all still here. But the iCloud backup option is the one that gives you free scanning and preview before you pay anything. You'll be asked to sign into your iCloud account. Dr.Fone supports up to 5 separate iCloud accounts, so if you're recovering data for a family member or managing multiple devices, that's covered. Enter your credentials and proceed. Dr.Fone will pull up your available iCloud backups. Select the one you want to recover from. Before anything else happens, before any download, before any payment, Dr.Fone gives you a free snapshot of that backup's contents. Not just a file size, actual content. How many photos are stored, which contacts are in there, what message threads exist. You know exactly what you're working with. After the backup downloads, which is also free, you get a full detailed preview. Real photos rendered on screen, actual message conversations you can scroll through, contact names visible. You are looking at your own data, confirmed, before you've entered any payment information. This is the part that separates Dr.Fone from most alternatives. You're not buying blind. You're not guessing whether your files are recoverable. You can see them. Once you've confirmed what's there, select the specific files you want to recover, individual photos, specific contacts, particular message threads, and restore them. You can send them directly back to your iPhone or save them to your computer first for an extra layer of review. You only pay at this final step after you've already seen your data. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that data recovery is only one part of the Dr.Fone toolkit. If we go back to the main dashboard, you'll find several other utilities designed for common iPhone and Android issues. There's WhatsApp transfer for moving chats between devices, iOS system repair for fixing issues like boot loops, black screens, or devices stuck on the Apple logo, and screen unlock tools that can help when you've forgotten a passcode or need to regain access to a device. You'll also find tools for contacts, messages, photos, music, videos, files, and backup management, making it easy to manage and organize data directly from your computer. For Android users, there are additional tools like Android Screen Unlock, Google FRP Lock Removal, and Location Change, making Dr.Fone more of an all-in-one mobile device management platform, rather than just a recovery tool. Of course, for this video, the standout feature is still the new Recover Data from iCloud Backup workflow, since it allows you to preview and verify your data before paying and recover only the files you actually need. That's the complete workflow, from opening the software to recovering exactly what you lost, without touching anything else on your phone. The download link is in the description below if you'd like to learn more or try it for yourself. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment below. What data did you lose, and were you able to get it back? I read everyone.